How to build a Facebook audience for your online business. First, I create a separate Facebook profile for my business. I use my real name, but I want to keep my family and friends separate from my business. Why, you ask? It's because your Aunt Tilly and your Grammy don't care about your business, so why bore them with it? Not only that, it may take away from your authority. Imagine if your Grammy posts pics of you when you were a cute little toddler and tags you in the post. Or, what if a family member disagrees with you on a subject that's key to your business? Trust me, keep them separate to avoid these embarrassing issues before they happen. Once you have your new profile up, then join a few Facebook groups that have over 1,000 members in them and engage in the discussion. Be on top of who comments and reacts to your posts. Be sure to send friend requests. Be sure to comment and like their posts as well. Remember, these people may be a customer one day. Make sure to engage with these groups each day if possible for a few minutes. Just be part of the scene so people can recognize you and remember you. Next, create a post for your wall at least once a week, but preferably a lot more. Make sure it's congruent with your niche. It should be helpful material for your followers. Generally, I try to put one good post a week on a topic relevant to the niche. Other content that many people enjoy is motivational quotes. This only takes a few minutes to create, and I usually get a bunch of engagement. I Google motivational quotes and grab a quote that I like and put it on a colorful background like this one. The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus, Bruce Lee. Make sure when you get a comment to acknowledge them by liking the comment and always reply and say thanks for the compliment. I know that sounds like common sense or courtesy, but it goes a long way to building a responsible audience. A mentor of mine once told me, "You want a friend? Be a friend." That is very good advice for building a Facebook audience. Once you have a few hundred to 1,000 or more friends, it's okay to tell them about products and software that has helped you to gain traction in your business. Post your affiliate link with some compelling info about the product to entice them to buy. Just remember to be helpful and not pushy. Otherwise, it will hurt your sales conversions. If you keep the sales pitches to a minimum of 3 or 4 a month, you'll do pretty well. Just think about how you feel about people pitching you all the time. That's exactly how your audience feels too. Now just maintain your audience by paying attention to what's happening on your wall and always be adding fresh people all the time. Good luck and have fun with it.